Hello, everyone. Hello. Aliyah. What would you say, Aliyah? That's mommy's. Ow. She's pulling my hair. Aliyah's pulling my hair. How would you look like if you have a long hair, Aliyah? Let's show me. Like this. Wow. Hi, guys. She's very active now. And Aliyah is turning 5 months tomorrow. Aren't you, baby? Yeah. She's turning 5 months, guys. Si baby. Marunong na rin siyang maghablot ng glasses. Another day. Vlogging with Aliyah and Lady. There's Lady. So, minsan, pag nandito kami sa salas, diyan ko pinapahiga si baby. Kasi, pag nakatulog siya, rather than going up to her nursery. And then, nag-set up ako dyan ng play area niya. Yung play gym niya. Tsaka yung playmat. So, tingnan nyo naman yung dog namin, si Ate Lady. Siya na talaga yung natulog doon. Natulog dyan sa hinihigaan ni baby. Hinahayaan ko lang siya matulog. Pumapwesto siya dyan lagi. So, Aliyah is turning 5 months tomorrow. Hey. We're gonna buy what? Cake tomorrow? And mommy will cook spaghetti. Spaghetti? Filipino style? Yeah. So, ayan guys. We are actually having conversations, me and Andy, na about our holiday. Na magbakasyon before ako babalik sa work sa August. So, we're looking to go away in June. Di po alam kung anong date, pero we're not decided if we go to the Philippines or we go to Canada. Kasi I have a cousin who's getting married sa Canada sa June. And hindi ko alam kung uuwi kami sa Philippines or Canada. Gusto ko sa Philippines kasi para ma-meet na ni Aliyah yung parents ko. Makita na niya si lolo at lola niya. Pero gusto ko rin sa Canada kasi nga ang tagal ko nang hindi nakita yung mga pinsan ko doon, tsaka yung mga uncle at titas ko doon. Yung pinsan ko na ikakasal, once ko lang siyang na-meet. Ano na siya? Ilang taon na si Sweeney? Late 20s na ata si Sweeney? Or baka nga 30 na siya eh. Once ko lang siya na-meet before, nung 2 years old siya. Umuwi sila once lang. Tapos di ko na siya ulit na-meet. So, we are invited to go to her wedding sa Vancouver. Kaso nga lang, gusto ko ring umuwi sa Philippines. So, hindi namin alam, iniisip pa namin mabuti. Hindi rin kami makaalis ng 2 beses. Kasi, it's too much for us. Meron namang kaming, financially speaking, meron namang kaming pera, pero obviously, hindi naman lahat yon is intended for holiday, ganun. So, meron din kaming mga babayarin, bills, which we need kasi yung pot of money na yun. Because nga, hindi ako magsusweldo or less yung sweldo ko. And then, may few months na hindi ako magsusweldo. So, hindi lahat mapupunta sa holiday. So, meaning, isa lang dapat yung pupuntahan namin, either Philippines or Canada. So, hindi pa ako decided, pero hindi ko alam kung ba't ako nagsa-search ng hotel sa Boracay. So, tingnan natin. I'm not yet 100% na Philippines. Okay. Yes, go, run. Haha! Woohoo! Yan. Ina-encourage ko siya na mag-roll na gumulong. Or do you want this? Tummy time? Okay, tummy time tayo. Halika ka, halika. Tummy time! Hey Google, fireplace on. Yeah? Tummy time. Oh! Oh! Here you go. There's your toy. There's your toy, baby. Oh. Oh, you want that one? You want this one? Giraffe? Ayan. So, pina-practice ko lang siya ng tummy time niya para ma-exercise yung muscle sa neck niya. Pero hindi pa talaga siya nagro-roll on her own. Alam ko yung iba maaga sila So, obviously, when she's ready, she will do it. So, wag nating apurahin. You can take your time, anak. Huh? No rush. By the way, guys, tignan nyo naman yung nails ko. Ito yung pink nails ko nung Christmas. So, kinat ko na yung mahaba kong nails. But it ended up looking like this. Kalahati na. Yan. So, baka bukas pa patanggal ko na to. Hindi ako makaalis kasi nga si Andy may work. And, syempre, walang magbabantay kay baby. So, bukas nga is 5th month birthday ni Aliyah. So, maghahanda ako ng birthday cake tsaka spaghetti. And then, ay!
It was on camera.
How did you get here?
Magic. Shoom. I did this.
I'm telling them, I'm looking for hotels in Boracay.
Yeah, which one?
But Andy is
Yeah.
trying to stop me from choosing the best hotel. Andy is frugal.
This is what I'm telling you about more people.
Pero na-practice ko lang si Aliyah to roll. Ha? Hello? Achiki, achiki, ababa, ababa. Lady! Ate lady! Inaantok ako. She's trying to roll, guys. Someone is trying to roll. Someone is trying to roll. Go. Go. Are you gonna roll before you're 5 months old? Huh? Are you gonna roll before you're 5-month-old, Baba? Go, keep going, keep going. Hello. Hello. It's 8 p.m. Paakyat na kami ngayon ni Aliyah sa nursery niya. Aliyah! May sipon-sipon pa ako, guys. Hey, Google, nursery lights on. Ayan. So, papalitan na natin siya into her pajamas, guys. Ayan. So, right, lie down there. And you're changing into the... Hello! Say hello to your cards. Hi, cards! Say hi, cards! Gusto niya yung mga cards na yan eh. Say hi, cards! Say hi, guys! Hi, guys! Hello! Ayan, she'll grab the toy. Do you want this? This one? Flora? Ito yung aming routine every day. So, kakain kami dapat before 9 o'clock. Ready na si Aliyah for bed. Ayan yung baby. So, kailangan nakapajama na siya by 9 o'clock. Kasi 9 o'clock, aakyat na kami to sleep. Kasi yun yung sleeping time namin. Saka, timely si Aliyah pagka 9 o'clock na, ano na siya, grumpy na kasi, inaantok na yan. Yun. You're 5 months tomorrow, anak. So, kanina, lumabas pala kami. Hindi ko na na-vlog. Pumunta kami sa Waitrose to buy cake. Saka meron pa kasi akong extra na spaghetti sauce, Filipino style, dyan sa pantry namin. So, yun na lang yung lulutuin ko. Something long. Change time! Yan yung gawain niya, naglalaro siya. Okay, come on. Let's change you into your pajamas. So when you're ready to go to bed, we'll just go upstairs, okay? Yan, ready na si baby. Kasi, I'm ready. I'm ready. Pero hindi pa to inaantok eh. So, mamaya pa kami aakyat. Okay? I'm ready. Nakapajama na siya. Hey Google, nursery lights off. Oh. Yeah? Who's that? Is that Aliyah? Is that Aliyah, Gia? Oh. Where's Dad? Oh, Daddy is sorting out the recycling bin. Oh. Hello? Who's turning 5 months? Is it you? Is it you? Turning 5 months tomorrow. Is it Aliyah? Is it you, Aliyah Gia? Yes, it is you. Can you see yourself in the mirror monitor? Antok na antok ako kasi ang aga to nang gising kagabi. Ay, kaninang umaga, I should say. Tapos matutulog sana kami kanina. Nakatulog nga siya. Patulog pa lang ako. Gising na siya. Tapos ang agang nang gising. 7 o'clock gising na siya. So, si Mommy, Pagod tuloy na. Antok na ako. There's daddy. Ready for bed.
Abu. Abu.
Abu.
Abikabu.
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 Peekaboo.
Abikabu.
Peekaboo.
Abikabu. Abikabu. Abikabu.
May iyak si Aliyah. Guys, mag-dessert tayo. Brownies and ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. Ay, kaya hindi tayo pumapayat. Simula nung nanganak ako, kain na ako ng kain ng kung ano-ano.
Ay, nako. Oh, let me finish my Harry Jack.
Ano siya?